Hi, this is Nick with Acme Concrete Raising Repair. We're out here in Crystal Lake. We're going to be lifting some concrete on this driveway. We're also going to be sealing the joints to prevent water from going down there. Let me show you guys what we're working with.
Before we began repairs, this driveway in Crystal Lake showed typical signs of settlement: open control joints, visible cracking, and gaps that allowed water intrusion. These are early indicators that the concrete is moving and, if left unaddressed, can lead to further sinking and cracking. The first step was polyurethane concrete raising. Using small injection ports and expanding foam, we gently lift the sunken sections back to their original elevation. Performing this step first is essential. Sealing a sunken or uneven joint won't hold up. A stable surface ensures the repair lasts. With the slabs raised and stabilized, we move on to sealing the control joints and major cracks. First, we clear out debris and any remnants of old sealant to create a clean surface for proper adhesion. Then, we apply tape along both sides of the joints. While this is not a finishing product, tape helps keep the sealant lines clean during tooling and application. We use a high-performance silicone-based concrete sealant, selected for its superior flexibility and long-term weather resistance. Unlike rigid fillers or self-leveling urethanes, silicone remains elastic in both extreme cold and summer heat. That flexibility is critical in Chicagoland, where freeze-thaw cycles cause slabs to heave and sink throughout the year. Once the joints are prepped and taped, we apply the sealant using a professional-grade gun. Then we tool it smooth to ensure proper bonding and water runoff. After tooling, the tape is removed, leaving a clean, uniform finish with well-defined edges. This process not only improves appearance, it protects the concrete subbase by keeping out water that can erode the base. Proper joint and crack sealing is one of the best ways to extend the life of a concrete surface after lifting, and it's a step Acme includes whenever possible.
Okay, all the work is completed. Let me show you guys the final product.
The finished result is a level, protected driveway with tightly sealed joints. This repair not only looks sharp, it's built to handle the extreme seasons and shifting conditions we see here in Northern Illinois.